Question number 1 is that what is your pet animal? My pet animal is. In the dash, you have to tell the name, whatever the animal you are having. Fine. So that is why I've left the empty dash. Just repeat the complete statement that my pet animal name is. Question number 2 is that what is the name of your pet animal? The name of my pet is. Just tell the name in it. Question number 3 is what is the color of your pet? The color of my pet is. Just tell the color of it. Question number 4 is that what is the food of your pet? It eats whatever it eats. Just name it. ORT, we are having page number 24 today, and it says the magic was over. What an adventure! The magic was over. What an adventure! Said Biff and Chip. Adventure. Adventure. The magic was over. What an adventure! Said Biff and Chip. English book today we have page number 33, right? And it's unit 3, the animal family. What we have to do is in this page you will see the animal and their baby. So lion and the cub, horse and foal, cow and calves. Can you see their babies? Cat and kitten, dog and puppy, deer and fawn. So you have to learn their baby's name. Fine. Okay, with your teacher, read aloud the names of the animals and the babies. We have done this. Okay, color these baby animals. So now the babies are given in the picture below. So you have to color them. Fine. On the next page and you will see that animals are given and the babies are given, so you have to match the animals with the babies. Fine. Okay, so animal and their homes, we have done this in oral, that bird lives in nest. This is new. Birds lives in nest. This is nest. Lions lives in dens. Dogs lives in kennels. We have done this. Horses lives in stables. We have done this as well, right? So this is the work today. Do it and show me in the group, right? Written work we have rhyming words with O, P and U N, right? We have word family. So today we are going to make flowers. I've made 2 flowers in which first flower we will do OP words and in another word we will do UN words. So with the OP first word I'll go with hop. HOP, hop. LOP, lop. COP, cop. TOP, top. NOP, knob. MOP, mop. Right? The middle sound of all the words and the ending sound of all the words are same. Okay, now let's move on to UN words. With the first word I'll write gun. GUN, gun. RUN, run. BUN, bun. FUN, fun. N-U-N. Nun. And the last word is sun. Fine. You can, if you want to color the flower, you can also color it. But in this way, you have to complete the work today.